Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automotive Painting, a teacher channel about car paint. Today I'm going to teach you how to polish a repainted car. I hope can help those who want to learn. Come on with me and learn more and more. Come on! After repainting the car, sand with 1500 grade sandpaper. You can refine the sand with 2000 grade sandpaper or finest one, if desired. Sand into the paint is completely dull and smooth. It's important to be careful not to sand too much and remove all transparent layer. When finished sand with 1500 grade sandpaper, now just sand with 2000 grade sandpaper to remove the scratch from the previous sandpaper. Be careful not sand the crease in the bar work and remove all the clear coat of the paint. Sand finished, the paint work should be gloss-free and completely smooth. Now everything ready to start polishing. We will first use the double-sided sheepskin wool band with the water-based polishing resin with grain number 2. Press the polish moderately and make gentle movements and watch the shine appear. Be careful not to press too hard and hit the paint and make it come off. When a polish resin dries, spray water in the paint to dissolve it. Avoid using too much polish resin and wash the double-sided pad when heavily soaked in resin. Now, in the third phase of polish, I will extend the wool cap for a full one and use the extra fine polish resin. The objective is to remove the marks that were left in the first polishing. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends. See you soon, my friends. Bye. I'm going to teach you how to polish a repainted car. Welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, welcome. If you like this channel, if you like this video, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like and share with your friends. See you soon, my friend.